So students of class 10 CBSE board, there are two problems which we are trying to solve. There are specimen problems, and obviously these problems have so many relations with the triangle also. So let's start with the first problem. The first problem says, let me choose the ink first. Okay. The first problem says, if an isosceles triangle ABC, so let's draw ABC first. Uh, so says that this, let it be, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is O, obviously center of the circle. It says if an isosceles triangle, isosceles means AB is equal to AC, two sides are equal, AB is equal to AC, both are 8, this is 8, this is 8, and inscribed in circular radius 8. So this is 8, OC is 8, AO is also 8. So he is asking find the area of the triangle. So for this, how to proceed? First, let us we have this is BC is the chord, and one thing, if you drop a perpendicular, if you connect the center from the circumference from any point, then it will bisect the chord. It will bisect the chord. So in this case, if let us write this place as D, so let it be capital D. So BD is equal to DC, and angle BDA is equal to angle CDA. DA is common, BA is equal to AC. So the triangles which I have written this, these two triangles, I mean triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. So whatever we do for angle ACD, it will happen to angle ABD. And if we talk about the perimeter of if we talk about the area of the triangle, so we have to know half base upon, I write perpendicular in this way always, so it is perpendicular, half base is here is BC into perpendicular is AD. So what we have to calculate, what is BC and what is AD. So let's start. Choose the triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, AC square is equal to DC square plus AD square is okay. In triangle this, AC square is the hypotenuse, AD square is perpendicular, DC square is the base. So and AO is equal to 8. Let DO is equal to X. So what will happen? AC is equal to 8 square is equal to DC square is not known plus AD square, you can write AD is equal to 8 minus x, because whole distance is the radius, AO is 8, whole distance is equal to 8 minus this distance we have chosen it as x. So this is one equation. Now coming to the second one, I mean come to the triangle ODC. What will happen? OC square is equal to DC square plus OD square, which indicates that OC square, we know it is 8 square, is equal to DC square. OD square we have assumed as x square. This is equation 2. Now what you do? Subtract equation. You may do in this way. You choose the value of DC square from A, otherwise you subtract. Easy one is subtract equation 1 from 2. So let me write equation 2 is 8 square is equal to DC square plus x square, and this is first equation is 8 square is equal to DC square plus 8 minus x square. Write down as we do in algebra this and this. So what will happen? So what will happen? This will become 0, this becomes 0, and this is x square minus 8 minus x whole square. Bring this x square this side. So x square is equal to 8 minus x whole square. Open this, x square is equal to 64. I am just opening it. X square minus 16x. This cancels out this. So 16x is equal to 64, indicate x is equal to 4. So when x is equal to 4, then AD is equal to 8 minus 4, which is again 4. So now we know the two distances. AD is known. AD is known. We know AD. We know AD. So AD is known is equal to 4. DO is equal to 4. So what we have to know for the we know AD, and so we can know this DC also. OC square 8 square, apply this to this, DC square plus x square. 8 square is equal to DC is not known to us, plus x is equal to 4, so it is 4 square. This is 8 square is equal to DC square plus 16. DC square is equal to 64 minus 16 is equal to whatever, it is 48. DC square is equal to 48. DC is equal to under root 48. Under root 48 means you can write 4 out and 4 in. So this is DC is known. What we said initially, we have to know two things to know the this is we have to know area. So area would be now DC is 4 under root 4 and BD is also the same. So it is 4 under root 4. Total distance is 4 under root 4 plus 4 under root 4. Okay. Now this is known. Now two things are known to you. So what we do, come to this side. This is half base. In place of base you can write 8 under root 4 into perpendicular, that is 4. So divide this. This is 2, 16 under root. Is it under root 4? No, here we are wrong. Under root 4 itself is a, so 48 means 4 into 12. So it is not, this is here wrong. 4 into 2 under root, no. 4 into 4 into 3. So it is 4 under root 3. Everywhere write down 4 under root 3. 4 under root 3. 4 under root 3. Wherever I have written, it should be 4 under root 3. So it is 16 under root 3. This is, yeah, this is under root 3. So this is 2. The area of this triangle would be 16 under root 3. So area of the triangle is, this is answer. Okay, so you understand the point. In the same way, you have another problem. A is a point at a distance 15 centimeter from the center. A is a point, so we can write here A, this is A, is from the center O and L, this is L, this is M, LM, this point is L, this point is M, and what he says, this point is, A is a point at a distance 15 centimeter, this is 15 centimeter, circle of radius 9, this is 9, AL and AM are tangent to the circle at point L and M. If tangent BC is drawn, this is B, this is C is drawn, you have to understand what is saying, and it cuts at a point N, lying on the minor arc LM to intersect AL are B and AM. At C find the perimeter of triangle. What we have to know is the perimeter of triangle A, B and this we have to know. Okay. So how to proceed? This is 90 degree, Obviously, this is a theorem. This is 90 degree because this is a point from the circumference on the center. So, every line connecting to the circumference from the center, it has 90 degree with any tangent. So, it is angle O L A is equal to angle O M A is equal to 90 degree as on a tangent. This is very important thing which you have to remember. It is on the tangent. Now, if you take this right angle triangle, so OA square is equal to what? OL square plus this is LA square. OA square is known to us, it is 15 square. OL square is 9 square plus LA square. We can, just let us solve 2 to 5. This is 81 is equal to LA square. Let us see 2 to 5 minus 81. This is 4. This is 12, 4, 144. So, it is LA square is equal to 144. So, LA is equal to 12. LA is equal to 12. LA is equal to 12. Now, perimeter is what? LA is equal to, LA means LA is equal to what? LB plus BA. Okay. Now, from the definition of tangent, LB is equal to what? In the same way, L is equal to, and in the same way as a congruency is there, so LA is equal to MA as a congruent, they are congruent, congruency of triangle as discussed in last question. So, LA is equal to LB plus BA, and LB is equal to BN. This is internal point on circle are equal. So, they are equal as on tangent. In the same way, okay, let us write the perimeter. Perimeter is A, B, C. So, AB plus BC plus CA. Okay. Okay. So, perimeter is AB plus BC plus CA. Now, AB BC, you can write BC is equal to BN plus NC. BN is equal to LB and NC is equal to MC. Why so? Tangents from internal, which I have written tangents from internal point. Points are equal of a circle are equal. Okay. So, now LB, we know the LB, we know the BN is LB. So, here what I have done? LA. LA we know LA is equal to 12. So, it is 12. This addition is this, sorry, LA is LA adds LB plus BA and LB is this. So, this is 12. BN is equal to LB, which indicates that BN and BC when add up it goes to the becomes AL plus, it makes AL plus AM, means 12 plus 12. So, perimeter of this triangle is 24. Let me again brief. This is LA is equal to, here it is, LA is equal to LB plus BA. LB plus BA and LB plus BA, LB is equal to BN. So, BN and NC when added, then this will bring you BC. So, when B is added with LB and AC is added with the MC, it will equate to the BN plus CN. So, this is how we reach to this conclusion. So, there are two examples. Important thing in these two examples are they are correlated with a triangle also. I mean, they more or less they are problem of triangles, but because we use the tangent theorem, tangents are perpendicular to the center. So, this is one important thing, and tangent crossing each other from some point, all are the section is equal. So, these two important things which you have to remember, and for we will talk later on of some other problems. Till then, take off.